Hi everyone, another video from us, this time around Copilot from us, this time around Copilot for M365 or Microsoft 365 Copilot or whatever it's called now, and the rebrand, the rebrand, and the branding of the rebrand. I'm not sure what to call it anymore. Let's just stick with Copilot for Microsoft 365. There's been a lot of updates over the past year. You would think that Copilot is already like 10 years old, but it's just been launched a few years ago. And it's probably one of Microsoft's biggest growing products ever. And a lot of attention is being given to it. Microsoft has a full-on strategy where they focus on anything AI related and anything data related, because in order to fully grasp and do well with AI, you need to obviously have your data in order. So things like Microsoft Fabric and the entire data platform of Microsoft in the Microsoft Azure cloud computing space is very important and interesting to Microsoft. So that means that through getting that data into the Microsoft Cloud, the next obvious step might be to make sense of that data and to then have AI take over that work for you, and you just being able to query that data. So with Copilot Studio, for instance, Microsoft is doing a very good job with this, but also with Copilot for Microsoft 365. So why this video? Basically to show everybody what's been going on in this wondrous world. Right off the bat, for those who don't know what is Microsoft 365 Copilot, I imagine most of you do, but just for the sake of clarity for anyone watching this video, Microsoft 365 Copilot is a tool, is a AI assistant, I should say, therefore the name Copilot, to help you with your tasks that you do on a day-to-day basis within Microsoft 365 apps, documents, and conversations. So simply put, for instance, if you often use Word, Microsoft 365 Copilot for Word can help you generate your text in a different way, a better way, proofread it, find items from your documents, highlight certain sections, rewrite certain sections, etc. Similarly with, for instance, PowerPoint, where you can have Microsoft 365 Copilot for PowerPoint help you generate a layout for your slides and maybe potentially even build out some of the slides for you. And personally, one of my favorites is the Copilot that you have available in Teams that can transcribe all your meetings, and then you can query the transcription. So you can say, okay, give me a summary of what was discussed in this meeting and give me the action items that were highlighted throughout this meeting. So that saves me a lot of time and basically reinvented how I do my day-to-day work. One of the bigger announcements over the past months was the announcement that I'm putting on the screen right now, that Microsoft now is also extending Copilot to Microsoft 365 Personal and Family. So if you have a Microsoft 365 Personal and Family subscription plan, you will be getting Microsoft 365 Copilot included. You can opt out, so that means you don't get Copilot, you don't get the feature enhancements, but also it means you still get to pay your personal and family plan at the same price that you currently have it now. Because when they do include Copilot, there will be a little price increase, like I think $3 per month. Why are they doing this? Simply put, they want everybody everywhere at all moments in time to have the availability of Microsoft 365 Copilot. So even if you're not working, but you're doing things at home for yourself, I don't know, writing a book, for instance, maybe Copilot can help you do that. So they're calling it the next big step in the Copilot journey. So you can then use Copilot in Excel, Copilot in PowerPoint, Copilot in Outlook, and OneNote. One cool feature that they're going to put into this as well is creating and editing images with Microsoft Designer. So they're making that part of the Microsoft 365 personal and family plan. So you can also have designer work out items for you in regards to imaging. Yeah, so what is different to the Copilot for M365 that you get for instance, business or enterprise users is that it will work with a monthly allotment of AI credits. So you won't have unlimited access to Microsoft 365 Copilot. It will be based on a certain amount of credits that you have. And if you run out of credits, then you need to wait until next month or potentially, for instance, purchase more credits. You can find more about this over here. Let me pull it up in a second. Yeah, basically, like I said, it will come at a $3 price premium per month, and existing subscribers won't experience the price increase until your renewal. After that, if you want to opt in or receive Copilot in your home and family plan, you will pay that extra charge. Now, Microsoft obviously is committed to AI privacy, so they're highlighting some items around that. Looking into AI credits, this is more of a pay-as-you-go type motion than that Microsoft is also putting into place. Another thing that they highlighted most recently. There's a credit system to help you fully leverage advanced tools. AI credits are designed to measure and manage your usage of AI-powered features across various Microsoft products and services, giving you the flexibility and control that you need. So AI credits measure your use of AI features within Microsoft 365 and Windows applications. Each action you take involves AI, such as generating text, creating a table, editing an image, and it will use a credit. An example here, asking Copilot to summarize your inbox would deduct 1 AI credit, and your AI credits will deduct automatically as you use Copilot. So how many credits obviously do you get? That's the question that a lot of you might have. Users of the free Designer app receive 15 credits per month. If you have 365 personal and family subscriptions, you get 60 AI credits per month, which you can use across all your different applications within that family or personal plan. And if you Copilot Pro, so a business subscription license, you don't have to worry about AI credits. You can just use it unlimited. So that's the benefit of still getting it, for instance, through your work. So that was one of the main things that I've got asked by our clients, like, what do you think about this new inclusion in the family and personal plan? Well, I don't think it's a bad idea. I think it's a good idea. I also think that it works well and it's well balanced out with the AI credits. What I do wonder, and what I was thinking of, and what potentially could be a loophole, and I don't know yet, and I couldn't find anything about if Microsoft has covered this or not, but through your enterprise agreement contract, you have software assurance benefit like home use program, where you can offer personal and family plans to your users for their home use. So any employee that you have in your organization could buy a personal and family plan through your home use program at a reduced rate, and potentially then receive Copilot as part of that home use program subscription that they will sign up to. Now, does that mean that they also get Copilot? That's something I'm trying to figure out, because that could be interesting to a lot of organizations that are like, I don't need Copilot. I think it's too expensive. But if my users want it, I could give them the home use program. They could buy a subscription of that and receive Copilot for M365 as part of their personal and family plan to do with whatever they want. So I'm looking forward to see how that's being handled and if Microsoft is doing anything around that or not. Secondly, again, what's the benefit then of having it within your organization if it's so expensive and you can get it with a personal and family plan as well? well, the unlimited use. So you don't have to worry about using it. You can just go ahead, do it, use Copilot in all your apps as much as you want. Again, and maybe final thing on this, I still think the Copilot capabilities are too siloed. So I'm hoping Microsoft will, in the near future, update the product to make sure that all the different Copilots that you have in your Office apps will integrate together into one whole, meaning that I can start a Word document, start typing some stuff out, and then make sure that that Word document gets turned into a PowerPoint presentation, for instance, similar with Excel. It will help me create all my formulas, and if I tell it to do a write-up of whatever was created, that it will create a Word document. All those things currently are pretty much siloed, if you ask me, and I'd like to see it become more of a whole and then deliver that additional value to its end users. Now, some other items I need to call out. First and foremost, anything you want and need to know, you can find with the LicenseQ blog. We update the guides that we have there, the blog posts that we have there on a regular basis. So this one has recently been updated. And it now holds the latest information around Microsoft 365 Copilot. So the trending facts are on the top. Like I said, it's now available not just for enterprises and SMBs, but also for the individual users. What's important as well to note around Copilot is that there's a new monthly billing option for annual subscriptions. This is all across the board. So the monthly billing options for annual subscriptions in CSP is nothing new. It's just new for Copilot. And I should say that Microsoft, together with the announcement that there would be a monthly billing option for annual subscriptions for Copilot, also stated that those monthly subscriptions for monthly billing for annual subscriptions will have a price increase of 5%. So you can buy in CSP an annual subscription, pay for it on a monthly basis, but paying for it on a monthly basis means it will be 5% higher than if you pay for it up front. Like I said as well, they're trying to work on consumption-based pricing models due to customer feedback on the cost of Copilot. The EU users benefit from updated data residency policies that ensure data processing remains within the EU data boundary, so that's covered now as well. And the AI credit system for Copilot image generation, 15 credits if you just use the standalone designer tool, and 60 if you get it through a family and personal plan, and unlimited if you have it through your company. So if you want to learn more about what Copilot is, what it does, how you license it, what other Copilots are there, we write a lot about it on our blog. As you can see, it's quite extensive. We highlight the prerequisites for using Copilot, have some use cases there, and go into full detail on how you exactly license this. If that's interesting to you, do check it out. You can easily find it. It's highlighted on the main blog page on our website. So go to licenseq.com, have a read. And if you have any questions, if you need to learn and understand more, you know where to find me. So with that, I want to leave it with you like this for now. I do hope you enjoy these short little videos. If you want to learn more, have certain topics you want me to talk about, drop me a line, send me a note. Happy to do so. And with that, thanks so much. See you next time.